Red onions are full of sulfur compounds that protect the body from ulcers and various cancers. They can also fight bacteria in the urinary tract. The vitamin and beta-carotene in red peppers offers good support for your overall vision and eye health. Vitamin A is also helpful in supporting skin cells, healing wounds, and boosting white blood cell growth. Jalapeños are rich in vitamins A and C and potassium. They also have carotene, an antioxidant that may help fight damage to your cells, as well as folate, vitamin K. Cilantro helps rid the body of heavy metals arsenic, cadmium, aluminum. Lead and mercury can become resident in our tissues. Cilantro has been shown to bind these toxic metals together. Pineapple contains plenty of nutrients and beneficial compounds such as vitamin C, manganese, and enzymes to help aid digestion. Eating fresh, ripe pineapple may help boost immunity, lower cancer risk, and improve recovery time after surgery.